Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a powerful DIY rosemary and ginger hair growth oil. This oil is incredibly effective and can help stimulate noticeable hair growth in as little as 5 days when used consistently. It's easy to make, uses natural ingredients, and is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their hair care routine with homemade remedy. So stay tuned and I will be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. You are welcome back. So my name is Rita. Let's dive right into the process. First, I use dry rosemary, which is known for its ability to improve blood circulation to the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote healthy hair growth. To prepare this rosemary, I blended it to a fine powder using a blender. Making it into a powder form allows the nutrient to infuse more effectively into the oil. Next, I prepared fresh ginger. Ginger is a natural stimulant for hair growth. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, it also helps combat dandruff and improve scalp health, making it an essential ingredient for oil. I slice the ginger into thin pieces to ensure that it releases its natural and nutrients during the infusion process. Now for the oil base, I use a blend of olive oil and rapeseed oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and deeply nourishes the hair, while rapeseed oil is lightweight and helps balance the formula, ensuring it doesn't feel too heavy on the scalp. Now I place my saucepan on the stove and then I add my oil in the saucepan, making sure that the heat is very low. As you can see in the picture, you can see that the heat is very low. So this step is very important. This low heat ensures that we retain the beneficial properties of the oils and ingredients without burning them. Once the oil was slightly warm, I added the sliced ginger and powdered rosemary into the saucepan using a spoon. I stir the mixture continuously for about 5 minutes. Stirring helps the ingredients properly into the oil, releasing all the nutrients and active compounds that makes the recipe so effective. So during this process, you begin to notice a subtle earthly aroma from the ginger and rosemary. It's a sign that the infusion is going well. Yeah. Na, 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 After 5 minutes, I turned off the heat and allowed the mixture to cool completely. Cooling down is essential before transferring the oil to a container, as this prevents spills and ensures that the oil has fully absorbed all the nutrients. To remove any particles, I sieve the oil twice using a fine mesh strainer and a mesh cloth. This step is crucial to achieving a smooth, clean oil. If you watched the video up to this moment, why not take a moment to like my video? Also, tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss out on more amazing hair care tips and tutorials and DIY recipes. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys are amazing. You can also follow me at Riri Wajinobi on Facebook and on Instagram. Also follow me at Rita on TikTok. God bless you as you do so. So guys, the final product has a beautiful greenish tint, showing that the infusion was successful and the ingredients were well combined. So once I've gotten a clean, smooth oil, I went ahead to add my essential oil. I'm using a lavender oil here. Guys, it is totally optional. But if you want to add an essential oil, you can use any essential oil of your choice. Tea tree oil, clove oil. We have a lot of them. But I wanted lavender essential oil because I love the smell. I really love the smell of this lavender oil. So when applying this on my hair, it's giving me this relaxed feeling. And yeah. So guys, after the oil was ready, I transferred it into a clean bottle for storage. So make sure to store this in a cool, dry place to preserve its potency. And now our oil is ready to be used. So to demonstrate how I used it, I applied the oil directly to my client's hair. So I focus on her scalp, gently massage it to help stimulate blood flow and encourage absorption. Scalp massage is an important part of any hair care routine as it helps to relax the scalp while promoting hair growth. This oil is not only easy to make but also a fantastic way to boost your hair health naturally. If you've been searching for a natural solution for hair growth, I highly recommend this recipe, so give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to support my channel by hitting the like button, sharing the video with your family and friends, and leave a comment below to let me know your thoughts about this. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy hair care. Bye.